Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Meek Money, and today I'm cooking up something juicy and delicious on my brand new stainless steel flat top griddle. I just got it from Amazon, and this griddle is already linked in my Amazon store along with a lot of other tools and accessories I'll be using in this video. So if you see something you like, go grab it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to season this bad boy up to make sure that it's well seasoned and that it doesn't taste like metal. So it's good to season it up, and I'm gonna use a little oil and sprinkle some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Let it heat up and sizzle real nice. This step helps prevent sticking and gives everything extra flavor. Trust me, you don't want to skip this part. So, yeah, wait, well, it burned a little bit, so don't look at that. But anyway, while that's getting the seasoning, I'm going to season my steak using some garlic powder, some Lipton onion soup mix, and a little salt and pepper, you know, the basics, onion powder, things like that, and get that going. Now, I'm going to cut up an onion and, you know, sit that to the side just a little, let it fry until it's nice and golden. By the way, the spatula that I'm using also comes with this griddle set. So that's a nice surprise and it's really cute. So I'm just tossing the onions a little bit, you know, set them to the side, let them get, you know, nice and seasoned with the seasoning that I already have on there. Now I'm placing my steak, which the house was smelling so good, guys. I'm trying to let you know, like, it was doing what it was supposed to do, okay? And yeah, I let that fry up. And everyone in the house was like, yo, what is that smell? Oh my goodness, what are you making? And I'm like, shh, I'm doing a video. So, you know, chill out. Anywho, so while the steak was frying, and guys, look at the steak as it sizzled. Y'all, I like mine well done, but you can cook yours to your liking, you know? Yes, I really enjoyed the way this griddle was cooking the food. It was really frying it really nice and even. I had to turn on like the middle fire and also the other two on the other ends because it's a really large griddle. It was really nice. I love it, and I really think you'll love it too. And it fits on a grill just as good. It's just that it was raining this day, and so I just decided to cook in on the griddle. But I may do another video making breakfast on the griddle outside, because I mean, that's where the fun begins, you know. I'm just saying. So I'm just, you know, chopping up my onions and getting them prepared, and then I'm gonna sit those to the side later. And then I am going to prepare a red onion, and you'll see all that in a few. Yeah, it was doing what it's supposed to do, and I did a little covering. Now that right there, that cover comes with the other set that I have for a griddle. I have received a set for a 30-piece griddle. It's a 30-piece griddle set, a tool set. So a lot of the attachments that I will be showing you in the video, great. It's a great find. It's a great buy. If you have a griddle, you would love this set. It comes with a lot of tools, and I know you're going to be happy with it. I'm going to show that later on in the video, so, you know, just wait to see that. And right now I'm just preparing my red bell pepper. And I'm not really a fan of peppers, but when it comes to steak and pepper, yeah, that's when That's when I do my thing. So this here is me preparing the bowl for the cleaning of the pepper. Now, I have this new tool. It's also in my Amazon storefront that goes in the water for fruits and vegetables, and it cleans the fruit and vegetables for you. It like boils the water and gives it like a wash, and it really works really well. You'll soon see the bubbling, as you see right there. And I didn't show the whole washing of it, but it really bubbles the water up and cleans, especially good for strawberries. Okay, so now that it's clean, I'm using my KitchenAid mixer, the slicer attachment, and to slice my bell pepper up. It's quick and easy and super satisfying. If you already have a KitchenAid mixer, this attachment will change your life. It slices vegetables like butter. Yep, and you know where you can find that. It's so satisfying just to watch. And you can use like potatoes. It can make potato chip slices, all different type of slices, guys, for whatever you're looking to slice. It's a great access to your kitchen. This is me taking apart the pieces to show you how easy it is to take from one slicer and add a different slicer to it. Very easy. It comes with all these attachments, and it's a great buy, guys, and I really enjoy using it. See, it just snaps right in. Very easy, very simple, and yeah, I'm trying to tell you where you can get it from. I hope y'all can see where you can purchase a lot of these items from me. It's right on my page where you see Meek Money. Right down below that, you'll see how many subscribers. And yet, guys, if you're watching and you're still here with me, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like. And if you have any questions, that'll be awesome. I will answer them for you. And so right below that, you'll see Amazon.com shop Mickey Haynes. Just press that blue link right there and you'll be right on my storefront to see all these items and more. I have a lot of great items, and if I don't like the item, I do not put it on. So I like everything that you see on my page. So now back to the steaks. Yes, let's flip these steaks one more time. Look at the crust, y'all. I mean, we're almost there. Using a heavy-duty spatula again, and you know that 30-piece tool set, I have to show you that because, guys, it's definitely a game changer. I mean, you get everything with that tool set. And using this griddle and that set is awesome. I'm telling you. I know your friends is going to be like, yo, where you get that from? And, you know, you could throw me in there and be like, you know, I got it off of Meek Money's storefront, and, you know, have them to check it out. So that's the bell peppers frying there on the side. I added the onions that I cooked earlier. Now, the onions aren't burnt, guys. No, that's the seasoning. You know, some peppers, a little extra pepper, but it was good. It was very good, very, very good. Very well seasoned. And I mixed it all together, and it was phenomenal. Everyone loved it. Turned out very well. I love the way this griddle cooks. It heats up right away. And I can't wait to try it on the grill. It's awesome, guys. I mean, it is really a nice product. Look at those steaks. Look at those steaks. I mean, what? If you have never tried a flat top griddle before, you are missing out. I mean, these things are perfect for family cookouts, weekend brunches, or a quick steak night like this one here. So, yeah. I had to let it simmer, guys. So, okay, here is the final plate. Juicy steak golden onions, and fire roasted bell pepper, all made right here on this new griddle. And let me know in the comments how you like your steak cooked. And don't forget, all the gear you saw today is linked in my Amazon storefront. That includes the griddle accessory kit that's right here, and the KitchenAid mixer slicer attachment, along with the fruit and vegetable cleaner. Now, this griddle accessory set comes with everything you see here. Just check it out, guys. All these spatulas, even this chopper, another spatula, guys. There you go with the tongues, and it just has everything. That right there is for tacos. You can make tacos on your grill. Those are for eggs. You can make round eggs, heart-shaped eggs, like I made in this video. That's to clean the grill really good. Ketchup, mustard bottles. I mean, what kit? It comes with all of this stuff here that you purchased lately. I mean, everything you, salt and pepper shakers, guys. Come on. You know, I mean, I don't know. I say I mean a lot, but I really mean it. And these are the hooks that you can hang everything on. This is a great purchase here. Also in my Amazon storefront. So guys, yeah. I had to show this one more time so you can really see how this thing just really cooked great. It did an excellent job. I always wanted a griddle, and it's everything I wanted and more. It really is. And I will be cooking a lot on here. And I'll be showing you guys a lot of different recipes. So this right here is where I made the heart-shaped eggs. I put a little oil spray in there, and this was my first time actually using this right here. So, you know, nope, I didn't do that. Anyway, the eggs turned out wonderful, and they were shaped like a heart, and they were really nice. I love this thing here. Like, I moved that over to the center. I wanted to center it, so you know, you just let it cook a little bit while you're pushing it over, and then it'll stay in its place. But everything turned out great. I absolutely, look at this, guys. This comes with the griddle. It says, "I flippin' love you." And this is the end result, guys. It was a great breakfast, and I hope you enjoyed. Come back soon.